more ingredients to eat to make it fortified and tasty for the fried rice. Guys, these are 2 stock cubes. Zero. That's ginger, alio, garlic, 1 teaspoon of curry, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, cucumber, a teaspoon of basilico, a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of oregano. Finally, a teaspoon of salt. I also added my mixed spices for chicken. It gives a good taste to dishes like this. Anything rice, jollof rice, fried rice stew, it gives a very good taste. Here is the rice cooking. You see the level of the rice and the water, they are at the same level. So we allow the rice to dry up this water and to cook. Then we move on to the next stage. The oil on top is just from the meat. There is no added vegetable oil. At this stage, I taste for salt. The salt and everything rhymes. So let's get it done. Move ahead with the preparation of the vegetables. They are already washed. Now I'm removing the seeds of the bell pepper. See, the rice has dried up that water. Now I'm going to have a taste of it if it is done for the next stage. Not yet. We have to add a little bit of water for it to arrive, for us not to eat uncooked rice, okay? Now I'm adding these few drops. After this, it's gonna be done and we move up to the stir fry stage. Now let's check on the rice, how it's doing. It has dried up all the water. Now let's see the cooking ability. Add my powdered onions and mixed spices. Give it a good stir, allow it to heat. Add my rice, then mix together all over. The whole process went on and on until the whole rice is done. This is how to cook Nigerian party fried rice from scratch to finish. It's ready. Yeah, it can be served with salad or be served alone like this because it's rich in vitamins and minerals from the vegetable and protein from the meat. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Bye. See you.